Hey, good morning, students. This is Mrs. Kramer. I hope you had a great day yesterday and have a great day today. I'm having a good day, and it is April the 3rd. It is Friday. We're at the end of another week. They seem to be going by so fast. I miss you guys. I want to talk to you today about continuing our lesson that we were working on yesterday. Yesterday, I had you measure around the main floor of your house, just the length and width of each room. At this point, we do not need the height of the walls in your room, only the lengths and widths of each room. And I wanted you to record those. I didn't tell you how to record them. I didn't say record them in inches or record them in feet. But today, that's going to be something we need to think about. If you recorded your dimensions in inches, you're going to need to convert them to feet. So remember, 12 inches equals 1 foot. So we're going to want all of the dimensions of the rooms of your home to be in feet. After you do that, then we'll be able to start creating your scale drawing of the floor plan of your home, just of the main floor, not of the whole thing, just of the main floor. So you're going to need to realize that you're going to need multiple sheets of graph paper. And I have provided you a link in the Google Classroom to be able to print off graph paper. My scale drawing is going to take 6 sheets of graph paper. I've got 4 of them shown on my board that we'll look at closer here in a few minutes. And I've taped those sheets together. The graph paper that I chose for you, we're going to use a scale of 1 foot equals 1 inch. So with the graph paper, if you can see, 4 lengths of the blocks, 4 of those blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, will equal 1 inch. So when you're going to draw your rooms, you've converted everything to feet. Okay, so then if you have a room that's, say, my pantry. Okay, my pantry was 4 3/4 feet by 4 1/2 feet. So I would measure 4 3/4 inches and draw my line. And then 4 1/2 inches and draw my line. And see how the graph paper will also help us with keeping our lines straight and our angles 90-degree angles if that's the type of angle we need. Now, leaving my pantry or entering into my pantry, there is a 2 1/2 inch door. So I labeled that I've got a door opening there. Then from my pantry, you come into my dining room, and there's an opening that's 3 1/2 feet that would lead into my laundry room, and is also attached to my kitchen. And in my kitchen, I have a set of cabinets that are 8 foot long by 2 foot wide, and then I have another door opening here that goes outside of the house. So I've tried to label everything as I'm going. Now also, when you are creating this, use a pencil. If you use an ink pen, you're going to make mistakes. A pencil can be easily erased. An ink pen cannot. And ink pens leave smears and mess, and it will just frustrate you. So try to remember to use a pencil. If you have questions on this as you go, please email me and reply by using the Google Classroom, because we will be able to collaborate together. Other students will be able to see your questions, and that might help them with the questions that they have. I will answer your questions just as quickly as I can. I want to help you and guide you through this. This may take a little bit of time, and that's okay. This is not a race. It's called learning. We're reviewing things we've learned. So, have a great day, guys. Again, if you need anything, please email me. Use the Google Classroom to contact me. It is a great day to be a Minuteman. Hashtag Minutemen all in. Bye, guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow. I'll send you some trivia, just farm trivia. It'll be easy. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.